Assalamu alaikum. My name is Naeem Abbas from Labs Binyameen campus. Today I deliver a lecture on page number 162, lecture number 4. Construct angle. To construct an angle to equal to the given angle, example 5, you can check in the picture number 1. Angle ABC is a given angle. Draw an angle equal to the measure angle ABC. Step 1. How to construct. Draw angle ABC. Step 2. With a B as a center and with a suitable radius, draw an arc to intersect the arm BA and BC of angle ABC at L and M respectively. Step 3. Draw. Then this picture is done. Picture 2. Picture 2, step 3. Draw OX. Step 4. With the O as a center and with a radius equal to the BM, draw an arc with the intersect OX at P. And the step 5. With the P as a center and LM arc as a radius, draw another arc to cut the previous arc at Q. Step 6. Join O and Q. Step 7. Extend OQ to Y to form angle YOX. YOX angle is a required angle such that measure angle YOX is equal to measure angle ABC. You can check in the picture. Now we begin to the picture number 3 and 4, how to draw. The statement is to construct an angle twice the size of given angle. Example 6. Angle ABC is the given angle. Draw an angle equal to measure angle ABC. Step 1. How to construct. Step 1. Draw angle ABC. Step 2. With a B as a center with a suitable radius, draw an arc to intersect the arm BA and the BC. Two arms you draw of angle ABC at L and M respectively. Step 3. Draw EF. And the step 4. With the E as a center with a suitable radius equal to BM. Draw an arc with the intersect EF at G. Check in the picture. G. Step 5. With G as a center, radius equal to the LM arc, draw another arc to intersect the previous arc 8H. Step 6. With H as a center and with the same radius, draw an arc to intersect the previous arc at I. Now step 7. Join I and E. Step 5. Extend IE to join J to form angle JEF, and angle JF is required angle such that measure angle JEF is equal to measure angle ABC is proved that. Look in the picture 3 and 4.